What's up, YouTube fam? The surgeon is back in the house with another video. Today we got our hands on this iPhone 11 Pro, so we wanted to do an unboxing on this device and show you guys some of the features that Apple is raving about. If you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and smack the bell so you're notified on our latest videos. And be sure to check us out on social media platforms at Mr. Phone Doctor. So let's step back into the lab and let's get this sucker unwrapped. All right, guys, welcome back to the lab. And we're actually going to be doing something a little bit different today. Instead of dissecting and disassembling devices, we're actually going to be opening up this iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is the 512 version. There is other versions out there, but this is the behemoth of them all. As you guys can see here, Apple still uses the same boxing, which is nice and elegant. Of course, what do you expect when you're dropping $1,500 on a device like this, right? They got to put some money into the packaging. So let's go ahead and dig into this bad boy. Oh, I'm pretty excited. I wish you guys could feel the excitement that I have right now. Boom, here we go. So I believe this is the space gray, the matte version. Kind of looks greenish, to be honest, though. But I know there was a green one. Oh, no, this is the midnight green. So, yeah, here you go. Here's the triple lens camera that they have. Really cool features. It's got the telephoto specs on it. We, of course, have the design in Apple. Some hello manuals, how to remove the SIM remover. And some cool little stickers for you to put on your car or wherever you want to promote the Apple brand. And let's see what else comes with this for $1,500. I'm still pretty shocked on how expensive this phone is. You know, there are a lot of other phones out on the market that you can get for less than this. Me personally, I wouldn't drop $1,500 on a phone like this. I would actually get into a Panasonic camera or one of those new Sony A4s. I believe that 6400 is the one I was looking into. Maybe on Black Friday we'll have a little treat. But anyway, let's get back into this. So, oh, look at this. So Apple has changed their charger. Looks like they have a Type-C now. And it's a big brick. So I'm sure they're using the Qualcomm technology, maybe. I don't know. We'll have to see. Let's see what they have. I'm reading, but it does push out 3 amps, so I'm sure it is the quick charge. Not sure if it's by Qualcomm, but it is going to be a quick charging brick. And we get some headphones. Yay! Not wireless, but they are wired, and of course, no headphone jack, so it's going to plug in directly into your Apple 8-pin. It looks like they did include a Type-C charger for your iPhone. So all you fanboys out there, if you do have any 8-pin chargers, you are going to actually have to get new ones and get the Type-C ones. But I'm sure there is going to be some kind of adapters to adapt that to prevent you guys from having to buy new cables. But yeah, of course, Apple always changing things up to for you guys to invest more money into their products and ecosystem. So, but yeah, look at this, how sexy she is. Really good products. I mean, me personally, I'm not a fanboy anymore. I do use their Apple desktop, iMac, and MacBooks, but as far as phones, I have ditched them and I've gone to Android-based just due to the fact on all their regulations on repairs and all that, and their greediness, not helping their customers, making customers spend. No support here. All right, so we have bypassed the main home screen and we've gotten into the device. So one big major thing they've changed on here is the cameras. You know, you are going to have a telephoto camera, which is something Apple is raving about. As far as design, everything else, I mean, it's, you know, you're not going to get much difference between these and the older XS Max version. So that's just one thing known with Apple. You know, they're very slow at, you know, getting new stuff out there. You know, I mean, just recently they did the QI wireless charger on the back. You know, and in this version here, they have the night mode. for the camera, which, you know, Samsung has had for years and years and years. So Apple, they're just very slow at getting their stuff out. I don't know why it is that they hold out for their customers, but or is this phone worth $1,500 to you guys? You know, maybe if you're a pro photographer and you really like taking a lot of photos, then I'd say, yeah, go ahead and drop the 1,500 bucks, and you got 1,500 lying around, do it. You know, but me personally, I would not invest $1,500 in a phone like this. I would wait a while, get a pre-owned phone, or you know, just get one broken and fix it, and I would probably run with it. But yeah, I am not an Apple person, like I said earlier, so I wouldn't really see myself using this device. But it is great. It feels good in hand. Very good quality, as always. Stainless steel, as mentioned. It's got the glass back. But yeah, as far as features, functionality, I mean, it's going to be pretty much the same, guys. So I'll leave it up to you guys if you want to shell out the cash and go for the latest and greatest. But me personally, I mean, I don't think it would be worth it, you know. Wait a while. You can, Black Friday's around the corner, and I'm sure they're going to be having some Black Friday deals on these. So that's pretty much the unboxing on the iPhone 11 Pro. You know, I didn't really go too in depth as far as the features, but how can you when there is not that many new features on here besides the telephoto camera? You know, telephoto camera and the night mode camera. That's about it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are always doing new repair videos. So as soon as we get these in store for repair, we'll definitely have a repair video covering the screens and then of course the back glass on these. So make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Cheers.